Okay, now we have 9,450. It ends with 0, which means it's divisible by 10, okay? And then you have to write 10. Then you use your calculator, okay? Or simply, when you have a number like 9,450 and you divide by 10, the answer will be 945, okay? And the final or the ones place, it has 5. So it is divisible by 5, okay? Or you can factorize it into 5 and then divide by 5. And now, do you understand what I'm talking about? When you have a large number, just like this number, how could you prime factorize it? How can you? You just look to the ones place. The ones place can give you a hint to continue, okay? Like for example, here we have 0, we can divide by 10. Here we have 5, we can divide by 5. But look at the book, they divided by 9. Why, miss, they divided by 9? Can you tell me?
Because the 100 should
Teacher,
be
because 9 multiply 9 equal 18.
Okay, but يعني
قصدي
where did you
قصدي
come 9 times 2 equals 18? But you have to tell me. يعني I can't find any 18 here. Where is the 18? We have 9, 4 and 5. Where is the 18?
I think because he's bringing from 9 عشان بدأ بال9.
No.
they
teacher,
divide.
Yes.
teacher, we sum it. Teacher,
Yes,
we
yes,
we
yes,
يعني
yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Is this Sama?
yeah.
يعني
It's
Sama,
me.
I can't stop writing notes about you. عن جد thank you. We sum it. And as you can see here, يعني you will find it. It's written here. The digit sum is 18. I told you when we are thinking about number 3, divisibility by 3 or divisibility by 9, we just sum them all together. So we have 9 plus 4 plus 5, the answer is 18. Try to calculate it, compute it, يا جماعة. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, that's 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9. So this is why we divide it by 9. And then we use our calculator. We write on our calculator what? We write 945 divided by 9. So you will find 105. Now this 105, it has 5 in the ones place. So it's divisible by what?
Divisible by 5.
Thank you, Nassar. It's divisible by 5 because it ends in 5. Now divisible by 5, then we have 21. طب 21, how can we divide it? Into what
3
times?
by 7.
With
Yes,
7.
3 times 7. 3 times 7. Now check this one. Now check this one. We have the 10. The 10 is so easy. It's not a large number, so you can factorize it يعني, quickly, okay, and easily. Now we
Divisible by 10.
the 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. So you can say it's 2 times 5, and both are prime numbers, so you can just close the branches this way. And then the 9 is 3 times 3, both are prime numbers. And here you have 5, and here 3 times 7. Now all these numbers are
Teacher, I
prime
have
numbers. Yes.
Teacher, I don't understand.
10
Okay.
يصير نحطها divisible by 10.
Okay, it's divisible by 10, but what is the benefit from dividing a number by itself? يعني you will have a 100-meter tree, but it's useless. It's like when you write 10, for example, like this. Number 10. Okay, you will tell me, okay, it's divisible by 10, so that's why.
أسألك إذا أو لا.
Yes, yes, and use your English, Nassar, and I know that you can speak very well. Here it's divided by 10, so you say 10 times 1, okay? And then you go one more time. You say 10 is 10 times 1. You go one more time. It's 10 times 1, then it's 10 times 1, then it's 10 times 1. So, okay, your answer is correct, but give me, what to do with all of at the whole tree with the same branches. You have to give me, you have to reach the end of the branch. So when you do factorize the 10 as 2 times 5, okay, this way, and you tell me that 10 equals 2 times 5, okay, both are prime numbers, so this is the end of the branches. Okay, the point, my target is to reach the end of the branches, because it's called prime factorization. Okay, we need to reach the end of the target. Now, I hope you understand this. Let me just revise something for those who didn't understand. Now,
Teacher, when you give the example, inshallah, I will understand.
okay, miss. Now let's think about this number. We have a very large number. It has digits on the thousand place. 9,450. It's a large number. You can't factorize it just by thinking or mental math. So what times what equals 9,450? It's a large number. So you need a hint, or you need something that can lead you. So you always look at the ones place. Look at the ones place. What do you have here in the ones place, Yahiba? What do you have here? Hiba?
0.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we have 0. طيب, we know from the divisibility rules that any number ends with 0, it's divisible by 10. Okay, it's a rule. And you should memorize it. Because it ends with 0, it's divided by, it's divisible by 10. Yes?
يعني مثلا 945, I will divide it by 10.
Yeah, you divide it by 10. Now this number, when you divide it by 10, it will just be 945. You are talking about this one?
Yeah.
لا يا miss, this number ends by 5. طيب, from the divisibility rule, any number ends by 5, it could be factorized this way. Let me show you something. Here we have 945. Okay, this is the number. Now I will factorize it using number 5, as I know that this number is divisible by 5. Okay, so I will write 5. طب miss,
Teacher, it will be 189.
thank you. Now let me just ask you something.
Okay.
How did I know, ya Nabila, that this number is divisible by 5?
The
Will
ones.
It's under 5.
Yeah, the number ends with a 5, and any number ends with a 5, it is divisible by 5. Okay? Now, think about it. Now 9. How many 5s do you have in 9?
1.
1. So here
1.
we write 1. طيب, 1 times 5, 5. 9 minus 5, that's 4. So here we have 4 instead. And here we have another 4, 44. This 4 comes from 9 minus 5, and this 4 we bring it up. 44. How many 5s do we have in 44?
8.
8, thank you. So we write here 8. Now 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, now 44 minus 40, how much?
4.
4.
So we write 4. We write it here. And we bring this 5 up. So we have here 45. 45. How many 5s do you have in 45?
9.
9.
9.
9.
So,
Sir, can I say
so,
mine?
so here you have,
Understand it.
here you have 5, which is a prime number. That's why we put a circle and we end this branch, and this is not a prime number. طيب, it's not a prime number. خلينا نفكر. It doesn't end with a 0. It doesn't end with an even number, and it doesn't end with 5. So what do we have? What options do we have?
And then
Teacher, can I show you mine? Maybe she
No,
will
you can just
understand it better.
interact with me. We have 189, ya Sagir. 189, how can you factorize it? Can you tell me? Is it a
By
prime
3,
number?
by 3.
By 3 or by 9 يا جماعة. Do sum them
Yeah,
together.
what did
يلا
I
يلا
say?
يلا sum them together. We have 1 plus 8, how much?
9.
9 plus 9.
18.
18.
21,
18.
21.
Okay,
teacher.
okay, so this could be factorized into 9 times blah. Okay, now we think about the 9 here. 9 and 9 times what? I don't know. 18 times 9, here we have 2, and 9 times 1, so the answer is 21.
21, 21.
21, thank you, 21. Now 21, this 9 could be factorized simply.
Can I?
How
3 by 7, 3 by 7.
No, I'm talking about the 9, the 9.
21.
How do we factorize the
3
9?
by 3, 3 by 3.
3 times 3.
3 by 3.
Yeah, 3 times 3, and both are prime numbers, so we put circles. We've reached the end of the branches. Now we have 21. 21.
Can I?
21, yes.
Can I?
Yes.
7 multiplied by 3.
Teacher, can I show you mine? Maybe she will understand it
طيب,
better.
okay, just give me a second to end this tree, and then I will see yours. Now we have 7
Multiplied by
times
3.
3, and both are prime numbers, so we end the branches. طيب, I just want to tell you something. This number is 945, and this number is 945. The book factorized it by 9 times 105. I factorized it by 5 times 189. Is there a difference with the final answer? My final answer is 3
No.
times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. كمان مرة. My final answer is 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 5 times 7. صح? طب what is the book final answer? We have 3 times 3 times 5 times 3 times 7. Is there any difference? Is there any difference يا جماعة?
No.
No.
No, there is no difference.
No.
So it doesn't matter what two factors you start with. At the end, you will reach the same prime factorization. Okay? So it's just the same, but when you have a large number, you just need a hint or something, and we do use the visibility rules. يلا, show me your answer, يا صقر. Okay. Now, do you understand Sagir's tree?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Okay, I'm asking the rest. All of you, do you understand
Mumbai.
Sagir's tree? It's
Yes.
yeah. It's the same as mine. Exactly the same as mine. Now on.
نعم.
Okay. I will ask you something. We have this question, and you are requested to do it in another way. Let me assign your homework, okay? We have here some large numbers, and you are requested to factorize them,
I
which,
think that's true.
yeah, we have, يعني they are not really large, but I will ask you about question number 30. And I will send you a video for question number, for these two questions, okay? You are
Okay.
requested to do question
Today
number.
you send the answer of yesterday lesson.
Okay, upload it to Google Classroom, and I'll check it later. I have to go now. I have another class. I'll give you a hint. Tomorrow's class is highly important for the assessment, because we will solve these ones here, and they have integers, so they are highly important. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, inshallah. Yalla,
Bye. Thank you.
bye bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
teacher.
miss.